I don't know. Anyways, they roast their own shit. I'm jiggling for the truth, guys. Watch that jiggle. So, this tastes like milk. And then I taste water. Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Connor from Singlesip American Coffee Trip. Find me here in Bridgewater, Massachusetts, near-ish to Brockton. I think near-ish, not near, something like that. I don't know. I'm in front of Restoration Coffee. These guys have 3 locations. This is just the first one or the last one I'm going to be going to, depending on how good the score is. Ooh, Q50 just passed by. You guys looking for Infinities on the market? Buy a used Infinity. Those things are depreciation kings, because Infinities kind of suck. I know, I've owned one. During the era of Infinities and Nissans that rusted out like nobody's business. And oh boy did it cost me a lot of money. But able to get a newer Infinity, 2018 Q50, basically have absolute crap credit. Get an insane deal. That's where it's at. My god, trucks. Lots of trucks. Anyways, they roast their own shit. Oh, there is a bit of thickening happening in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm jiggling for the truth, guys. Watch that jiggle. Watch it. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. I jiggle more. I do some more jiggling. The more I jiggle, the more I understand. I would like to call that... Oh, yeah. Yep, we're learning. That was small bulge. It's going to large bulge. I think we're going to get into dad bodded territory. Yep, that is... Oof. That's rough. Rough showing. Better integration. Could have definitely happened there. But I think it's time to take a sip, tell you what I think of it, and then I'm going to skid and skedaddle on out of here. Maybe to the next restoration, maybe to the next whatchamever the fuck I'm going to. Let's see. I'm gonna give that a 6.7. So this tastes like milk. It tastes like milk, and then I taste water. It's like, it's got like that blue bottle coffee kind of thing going for it, where it doesn't really taste like much at all. It's just like good generic latte go down gullet. You know, I wish there was really more to talk about. It's kind of disappointing. I know it's more work to like review the other locations of this place. I know I don't have to now, but if I do have to, that means the latte was really damn good, and that's awesome. I map them all out. These guys get a really good showing, but unfortunately, I just can't really recommend this. Oh, put this lump on my neck that's annoying me. Anyways, guys, I will see you up north somewhere. I don't know. I have it mapped. I'm going to some coffee shop somewhere. You guys will see me there. I will be there. I will review it. Maybe it'll be good. I hope so. Let's hope so. Life. What's it about? Figuring that out. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.